The man who admitted to police that today with the child's stepfather testifying. Good afternoon. I'm Kirsten Joyce.
And I'm Brian Loftus. Tyler Johns facing a first-degree murder charge for killing Brandon Dominguez, who was on his way to school. 8 News Now reporter Joshua Peguero was there in the courtroom and joins us in studio. Joshua?
Henderson Justice of the Peace ruled today Tyler Johns is moving to district court to face murder charges. But before that decision was made, several witnesses testified about what happened on the morning of November 14th. Brandon Dominguez was riding in the backseat of his stepfather's car when he was killed. Police say Johns fired one round, striking Dominguez in the head. In court this afternoon, several witnesses described both Johns and Valente Ayala driving recklessly on a 215 near the Gibson exit. Valente Ayala testified he was taking his stepson Dominguez to school. A witness said on the stand Johns was blocking vehicles from getting in front of him at the Gibson exit on-ramp on the 215. Vehicles were emerging from the I-11 onto the 215. Now, at one point, Johns reportedly swerved into Ayala's car. Ayala then allegedly rolled down his window and began yelling at Johns. Ayala said he passed Johns' car. Johns sped up to him and pointed a gun to his head. He then reportedly heard a gunshot.
At that moment, after the shot, the first thing that I did was think about the security of my son. That moment, I turned around to ask him if he was okay, and I turned towards the passenger backseat, and I saw that there was blood on the passenger side, and I figured out that there was something that was not okay, and I turned around even more, and then at that moment, I saw that he was already on the floor.
We also heard from Johns' defense attorney, who argued that his client did not intend to kill a child.
There's been testimony here that nobody first of all saw a child in the car. Mr. Johns specifically said to the officer that it was an accident. I didn't know there was a kid in the car.
Now, this happened on the morning of November 14th. Clark County prosecutors say they're seeking to charge Tyler Johns with first-degree murder with a deadly weapon with a child abuse enhancement. They say Johns intended to shoot Ayala but missed. Kirsten?
Thank you, Joshua. Tyler Johns is scheduled to appear in Clark County District Court next Thursday for his arraignment. He has been denied bail.